Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by ensuring prerequisites are met: starship space, travel fuel, and organic resources, because you'll need them right away. Once prepared, head to the space anomaly to trigger living ship mission seeds and scan for systems with biological signals. Make sure to bookmark promising coordinates and set a manual save. This saves you time if you must retry. Don't waste time on unnecessary farming. Start scanning immediately, record every lead, and prioritize regions tagged as biological or anomalous. Now you focus on the complex middle steps, locating the living ship egg. You'll use your analysis visor in flagged systems to find biodomes, crashed biological vessels, or unusual fauna signatures. Those areas often hide eggs. Once a mission or waypoint appears, follow it precisely and complete required objectives. It may involve short combat or collection tasks. Make sure to have organic materials on hand to soothe the creature or trade. Once you secure the egg, move it to a safe ship inventory slot and head to a quiet system to hatch. Finally, you hatch and finalize the living ship. Place the egg in a secure ship inventory slot, keep your life support active, and remain in system during incubation. Movement can interrupt bonding. Follow the bonding prompts, feed the creature, calm it when agitated, and install microbial or biological upgrades as they appear. Once the ship bonds, perform a save and test short flights. If something goes wrong, corrupted egg, missing prompts, reload your last save, clear conflicting inventory items, and repeat the acquisition in a different biological system to resolve persistent errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.